I am an nopCommerce developer and what you have learned from this channel. If you are a .NET developer and you want to build a real e-commerce project, then you need to learn seriously nopCommerce. In this channel, I will share a practical knowledge of nopCommerce on production experience. Hello, I am Pankaj. I am a .NET developer and nopCommerce certified developer. I have been working in nopCommerce with real clients and real projects, including plugin developments, theme developments, version upgrades, and performance optimizations and cloud deployments. If you're searching on the Google about the nopCommerce, you find some basic tutorials like installations of the plugins or setups on the admin side. But once you are start development, you are facing some different issues. Like you need to see the architectures of the plugins, performance of the database, upgradations of the nopCommerce, and like a payment integrations, productions, deployments. Unfortunately, the real world problems are rarely explained properly. So I created this YouTube channel for practical knowledge of nopCommerce, what you have need to be working in the real project. In this channel is not about theory. This is a real experience, real mistakes, and real solutions. On this channel, I will cover some topics: nopCommerce plugin development from scratch, understanding of nopCommerce architecture from ASP.NET Core, database structures of performance optimizations, how to upgrade a nopCommerce without breaking the productions, common mistakes that developers make in development, deploying the nopCommerce on AWS Azure with CI/CD pipelines. This channel is mainly for .NET developers who works on e-commerce projects, developers who are working in e-commerce, freelancers and agencies developers, anyone who wants to build a scalable professional e-commerce on nopCommerce. In the upcoming videos, I will explain a nopCommerce architectures in detail. So, how the plugins structures will be, how to plugins create, step-by-step in guides. I will also share a productions issue and solve them. If this sounds useful to you, please subscribe this channel. I will upload nopCommerce and .NET related videos regularly. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.